Hello students, welcome back. Now today we will discuss the further part of construction of tangents. So let's start. Students, let's solve the sum. Draw a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter with center O. Take point P such that OP equal to 7 centimeter. Construct tangents from point P to the circle. For that, first you have to draw the circle of radius 4.2, take the center O. Now from O, draw a seg OP of 7 centimeter. Keep your scale, O point on 0, P point on 7. You will get OP of length 7 centimeter. Now you have to draw perpendicular bisector of OP. Now half of the OP is 3.5 centimeter, which is less than radius. Whenever half of the distance is less than radius, your perpendicular bisector of OP will be inside the circle. That means it will intersect the circle. Yes, when you draw, keep your rounder at O, take a distance less than P, draw arc on both the side, keep it at P. Yes, when you join these intersecting arcs, you'll get the perpendicular bisector of OP. Now this perpendicular bisector has intersected OP at a point. Keep your rounder at that point, take a distance up till O and draw one dotted circle such that OP will be the diameter of the circle. Yes, you will get the circle like this. This circle has intersected the previous circle at 2 points. Label them as A and B. Now draw a ray joining PA and the ray joining PB. Ray PA, when you join, it will touch the circle at point A, and ray PB will touch the circle at point B. So you can draw two tangents touching the circle at A and B. Now students, next sum. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm with center O. Take point P such that OP equal to 8 cm. Construct tangents from P to the circle. Same way, draw the circle with radius 4 cm. Take center O. Draw segment OP by taking the distance 8 cm. Yes. Now see, half of the OP is 4 centimeter. A radius is also 4 centimeter. When half of the distance is same the radius, then perpendicular bisector of OP will touch the circle. But it's not a tangent according to our requirement. Our tangent should be from P. So when you draw the perpendicular bisector of OP in this way, you will get the perpendicular bisector intersecting OP and touching the circle. Now keep your rounder at this intersecting point and take a distance up till O and draw one dotted circle. When you draw the circle, OP will represent the diameter of that circle. Now this circle has intersected. Yes. Upper point you can take R. Lower point you can take S. Now draw the ray joining PR and joining PS. When you join the PR, this tangent is tangent to the given circle at R, and when you join PS, it will be tangent at S. This way you will get two tangents. Now students, one more sum. Draw a circle of radius 3.5 cm with center O. Take point R such that OR equal to 8 cm. Construct tangents from point R to the circle. Now same way, take distance 3.5 cm in your rounder, draw the circle, label the center O. Now from O point, draw seg OR of 8 cm. Now like the previous sum, you have to draw perpendicular bisector of OR. Now half of the distance is 4, which is greater than the given radius. When half of the distance is always greater than radius, then perpendicular bisector will intersect this OR outside the circle. This thing you have to keep in mind. Now first let's draw the perpendicular bisector of OR. Keep under at O. Take a distance less than R. Draw the intersecting arc on both the side of OR. Now draw the line joining intersecting arc. This is a perpendicular bisector. It has intersected OR at a point. Keep your rounder at this point. Take a distance up till O and draw one dotted circle. Now this has intersected the given circle at 2 points. Label these 2 points. Let's give the name to these points, students. S and T. Now draw the ray joining RS and ray joining RT. You will get two tangents. When you join this RS, tangent will be at point S. When you join RT, tangent will be at T. Students, thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understood the construction. Just try the construction at home. Then also, if you have any difficulty, comment or mail. But don't forget to like